Monster. Hi, I'm a storyteller. I love stories and monsters. Did you know monsters love stories too? Yes, they do, especially mine. When I wake up, I can't wait to share a new story. Today's story is called Allergy Monster. What pretty flowers! My friend Uma loves, achoo! Flowers. Oh my, Uma has lots of allergies. Yeah, yow. So we made her an allergy monster. Yow. The allergy monster helps Uma make flowers out of paper so she can play with them and not worry about sneezing. Together, Uma and her allergy monster craft up pretty paper flowers. See? No allergies. Yippee! When they're done crafting, the monster helps Uma clean up. Uma loves her monster. Her name is Violet. What a great story!